Hello my friends, welcome. Today I will show you how to install a wall lamp on the wall. For removing the electricity, you have to do this on the electricity board. Okay, here this is the electricity board. So you can see that there are several indications what circuit corresponds to what place in the house. Very often these you will find electricity boards where there's nothing written. And very often it may happen that the designations of the circuits are not correct. This is why you have really to check it here very carefully. Here I have one nevertheless called éclairage télerupteur. Télerupteur are these little machines here which are for light circuits. So here I can guess that this one is the correct one. So I'm switching it off. In this case here, I had already made the holes with the wall butts, so I won't need to do anything. So I'm just removing now this provisional lamp from the cables. And let me remind you that as we have put the power out, there is absolutely no danger in touching these wires. Okay, so now I put this here. Here I could take a spirit level for making sure that it's straight. But I mean, I can see with the eye it's more or less okay, so I won't spend too much time on this. Very often the earth wire is not used for lighting because for old lamps there is none. So this is why it hadn't been put clear. So now I'm taking this tool. It's very easy. Done. Now I'm putting everything back. Here neutral, so inside it's the earth. There's nothing written. I'm pressing the button and I'm putting it inside. Okay, now it's in. Then I'm taking the line. The line is usually the brown one. Okay, it's in. And the last one. Now the last one, the blue one. Okay, that's it. And now I have to put the lamp against the wall, and as we have the little cables, we have to find a way of putting them inside the lamp so that they do not appear. Okay, now I'm putting everything back. It's a bit stuck. Okay. So now that we have installed the lamps, we will again open the power in this light circuit. So I'm putting this up, and if this part would not be holding like this, if it's getting out automatically, it is that we made a mistake in the way that we put the wires inside the lamps, because there's a short circuit. Here, of course, the most safe way to proceed is to cut the electricity in the whole house. In case you still need some power, for instance, for using a drill, then you should have a look at the video which is suggested here. This one?
No.
This one?
Yes, it's off.
Okay, now the bulb is off, so we know that it's this circuit, circuit L. Now I'm removing the bulb holder, which is a provisional one. So here I'll be using this sugar, and this is better here because these wires here are soft wires, which makes it's difficult to use the connectors, the great connectors I've shown you. We start to place the blue wire from the side of the lamp on the sugar. So now I'm connecting the blue with the blue. Now I'm doing the same operation with the brown wire. And by the way, if the color of the wires coming out of the wall do not match with the colors of the wires of the lamp, this usually doesn't matter, especially for old lamps. Very often on old lamps you have two black wires. You can see this, by the way, in my video about how to fix a wall lamp on an exterior wall. So this here is the earth line. I won't use it here because my lamp does not have any place for receiving the earth. And the best is not to strip the wire, you just leave it like this. And now you can see that it's perfectly connected, and we are putting back the lamp on the holder, and for this we are classically putting the wires within the placeholder in the lamp. And then we fix it with the screws, often little screws, not always easy because you need really to find exactly the place where to put it in good alignment with the holder. And one tip is not to lose these little screws because then it will be difficult to fix. I lost the original screws and I found these pink screws thanks to my magic box. Now everything is ready. I'm now putting the lampshade thanks to this little ring. And now we can put the light bulb. That's it, my friends. Now you know how to mount a wall lamp on the wall. Before leaving you, let me just remind you that I have another video about how to install a wall lamp outside. This is a little bit more difficult because usually you need to drill much bigger holes. And I have also a video on how to change a wall lamp which is on the ceiling. I hope that you found this video useful. I hope also that you liked it. If it's the case, please leave me a like or subscribe to the channel. Otherwise, see you soon on Happy Hour TV 1.